Hi guys, Brandon here with the Tech Pirate doing a hot take unboxing here with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Just got these in today. I'm going to be doing a full review on these here shortly on the site, as well as pit them up against other competitors in the field, such as the Surface earbuds and the Sony WF, their XM 1000s or 1000 XM3s or something like that. But today we're here with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So let's get right into it. So these are touted to have a 11-hour battery life from the Bud, an additional charge in the case bringing a total of 22 hours. That would give them the most battery life of the three truly wireless earbuds that I have. So it looks like right here is buds that don't want to come out. Let's see, this is probably cable. Yep. Looks like there's the additional wingtips, as it does use a wingtip system and in-canal earbud system. USB Type-C cable. Oh, there's the other two there. A little disappointed with the unboxing experience there. They just kind of fall around. That is securely in there, though. And wow, no warranty or product information. That's kind of unique and cool. So let's take a look at this right here. Surprisingly heavy, but also pretty small, which is kind of nice. So, as compared in size to the Surface earbuds, and then the much, much larger Sony earbuds. This is quite a compact case, but again, surprisingly heavy, much heavier than the Surface buds, but lighter than the Sony buds. And right there, we're greeted with the earbuds. Okay. These are a little heavier than I was expecting, but they are still pretty light. I went for the black buds, as that's what my local store had in stock. Let's get my phone over here. I do have the yep, right there. Galaxy Buds have been discovered. Let's go ahead and connect. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds. Stay in touch with your surrounding. Ambient sound lets you hear what's going on around you. Set it up in the Galaxy wearable app, and you can start listening to ambient sound by touching. Start Spotify from your earbuds. Touch and hold one of the earbuds. Okay. Cool. So it says I'm all set. Looks like out of the box 69% and 62%. Oh, now 70%. Let's go ahead and pop one in. See what the fitment looks like. Oh wow, the mediums with the ear tips that are in there actually aren't too bad of a fit. For me, at least. So no music playing, and Yeah, it does actually block out quite a bit of the sound just passively. These do not have a active noise canceling built into them. But let's take a quick look at their spec sheet. Looks like, of course, since they are Samsung, they've partnered with AKG, which I believe is an Australian. Is it Australian or Austrian? I always forget that. But either way, it's a pretty high end sound company. And one of the things I really like about this is that there's the option to support uh, wireless charging on it. Which, of course, now I can't remember where. Wireless power share. Just because I want to give it a try. Yep, and right there, my phone buzzed. I got the notification through the earbud, just the standard doo of it charging, and that's kind of one of the things I've found with the other earbuds that I wish they had is a way to just wirelessly charge them. I've gotten so used to having a wireless charging pad on my desk and on the nightstand that it's just nice to be able to, you know, toss it up there, charge the case without having to do the USB-C charging. One other thing about the charging is supposedly, at least according to Samsung's specs, is that a 3-minute charge in the case will give the earbuds an hour of charge to play. So that'll be interesting. Most of the other ones that I've tried out have been 10 minutes for about an hour of charging, and it's been okay. But of course, not wireless charging for the case, which is kind of a bummer. Um, yeah, let's see what other things we've got in here. Ambient sound, and just on the first setting, you can hear there's almost a little bit of a delay, and it does kind of tinny the ambient audio, but it's passable. I can hear myself speak. It's not quite as weird as it was as I was speaking to you with it off. A little bit more, just makes it louder. Let's see. Keep the outer mic clear. Some cases, higher extra high volume can cause a high pitch feedback if the outer microphone is covered. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, this is almost too loud. It's actually amplifying the ambient noise around me. So now I'm hearing my computer and my servers over next to me. So I'd say probably just the medium setting for what I want. You've got some equalizer settings. Let's see, touchpad, read notifications loud. Oh, that'll be nice. And find my earbuds. General settings. I wonder if you can do, let's see, use ambient sound during calls. Hear your own voice. Absolutely. Touchpad. That's. I wish there was a way to actually control the equalizer a little more. We'll see what the normal setting is. I tend to like more of a flat EQ if I'm trying to actively listen to music. If I'm just kind of working out or working on something, I may do bass boost depending on what I'm working on. But for the most part, I kind of like to hear it how the artist would have wanted it heard rather than trying to boost stuff or mess with stuff. But it'd still be nice to individually adjust the levels rather than just having a wash machine cycle. But let's get into some music. Let's see, what do we want to listen to today? Let's go Nostalgia Train. Little tinny on normal. Knowing what this song should sound like, it's just, it's a little tinny. So the song doesn't have quite as much bass initially. Just kind of a standard bass guitar, a little bit. This is more acceptable. Let's dynamic sounds a little bit better. Ew. Clear almost drowns it out. Soft isn't too bad. Ew. Bass distorts it. Shouldn't say distorts it, but it almost brings the highs down towards the low, which is surprising. This has two speakers. It has a woofer and a tweeter in here, so it should be able to be a little better distinguishing it. Treble's okay. I'll probably leave this in dynamic. Just normal sounds almost a little too tinny. Like it's they've removed too much of the bass. But overall, it's not bad. They're $149.99 right now. And aside from black, they come in white, cloud blue, red, and there's currently a BTS edition. I picked them up from Best Buy, and again they were, they're not bad. They're definitely more comfortable than the Sonys. I'd say they're kind of right up there comfort wise with the Surface Buds for right now. The Surface Buds have a little bit better bass, but then again, the Surface Buds have a much bigger driver, but they only have a single driver. And there were times that the audio, even on the Surface Buds, does kind of muddy out if there's a good bass line with some high notes up towards the top end of the range. But yeah, it's initial thoughts is the sound quality is a little less than I was expecting. The initial fitment and kind of comfort level, kind of surprising. These are kind of one of the more highly touted earbuds for comfort, and I can definitely see why. They fit nicely inside the ear. They're kind of flush with the ear since they sit inside the canal. The case being this small, I'm actually excited about this. This will be a lot easier to carry around than the Sony ones that have been my daily driver. And the fitment is way better. I constantly am messing with these Sonys to get them to stay in. I've even had to upgrade the foam on them to a memory foam style. But just with the out-of-box experience with the Samsung they're really comfortable. I'm looking forward to doing more with these. So stay tuned. Visit thetechpirate.net, or hopefully I can get videos situated a little bit better for YouTube video. This is my first actual product video upload. Everything else has kind of been gaming related. So yeah, let me know what you thought of it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Comment with suggestions, improvements, questions, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.